How's it going, guys? Sacred Black Sheep with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Erotic Fantasy Tarot. Ooh. These are artworks by Ian and Simona Rossi. It's a 70 tarot cards with illustrations. And they are published by... It doesn't say. Oh, there we go. Los Scarabo. But first I ended up getting these on Amazon. And I already have, actually, I don't have cases for them anymore. I've been transitioning a lot. I need to actually get like a tarot, like a card case for the boxes that I don't have, for the decks I don't have boxes for anymore. But as you can see, I have the Tarot of Sexual Magic and the Karma Sutra deck. Ooh, so like we can play with those in a reading, right? But yeah, that's the reason why I got these, because I already had these two, and I'm just like, well, yeah, well, why not add to the little sexy tarot collection, right? You know, we do. Well, but I always watch a lot of love readings. But I mean, I want to get into the sex, right? Where's the tarot after hours, or what is the HBO? It's like real sex, like the real sex tarot. But that looks like the Ace of... There's no booklet. The devil is a liar. Oh shit. Oh, maybe that's what the scan for a guidebook. Okay. You know what? That's cute. So this looks like Ace of Swords. Oh yeah. I'm trying to get a good balance. Or maybe I should come on the other side. Yeah, Ace of Swords. Wait, how we go from the ace to the three already? Wait. Am I missing something? Okay. Oh, wait, shit. All right, here we go. Three of Swords. Oh, they're probably out of order. Oh, well, maybe. Three of Swords. Or like evens. I see like 1, 5. And that's Five of Swords. Or there's a woman here, finally, right? Feminine. Knight of Swords. Alright, well, yeah. Oh, you really don't need the book. For real, for real. I mean, there may be, like, extra characteristics that they might have, but this is definitely the King of Wands. I'm trying to get a good... There we go. I probably have to do the, what is that, the makeup hands. Two of Swords. Oh, wow. That's the legs wide open for me. Four of Swords. King of Swords. I know you're like, how are you holding these cards? But the way this setup is, it's like it's hard to really kind of gauge an angle, because the camera, because I'm recording from my tablet, and the camera, the tablet is on a stand that it's like on an angle. King of Pentacles. Ooh, he's like very elegant. As always, the Earth Signs that's like fully clothed, right? So prudish and preserved. Ace of Wands, I'm assuming. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Looks like destruction, if you ask me. Ain't no new beginnings here. This looks like death a little bit. Or Armageddon. Or war. Ah, yeah. That could be war, action. Oh, this is Two of Wands? Two of Wands. Oh yeah, it's like control or power or something like that. I remember. Power. Runes are there. Oh wow. Oh yeah, we're gonna learn about this deck. Three of Wands. Page of Wands. Or Knight of Wands. Or no, Knave of Wands. So yeah, Page of Wands. The knights are always on horses, or they're the riders. Ten of Wands. Nine of Wands. Oh yeah. I like decks that really stand out from other decks because it really helps with like readers sometimes. So if I use this deck a lot, I might get better messages or better intuitive messages. I will say that because now you got like certain cards you have runes in them, so that may be significant, especially when you start to mention magic and stuff to people, and they're like, "What? Like magic?" It's like, well, yeah, you're coming to a tarot reader, right? I was like, duh. Six of Wands. And the other one was Seven of Wands. Here's the Five of Wands. Ooh, ass out. Hot girl. Having a hot girl summer. Four of Wands. It's about a union, but she by herself though, so she could be coming into union now. As she looks surprised. She's like, oh, who that? Who's that over there? Look at that. The Knight of Wands coming into the rescue. And as far as I'm seeing that the knights are all feminine. So the feminines are going to be action takers. Well, I mean, that still could be men working in their feminine energy, you know. But again, they could still be labeled as feminine or divine feminines, right? It's like one of those two. It's where like a man could still be labeled as a feminine because he works in his feminine energy more than his masculine energy. Queen of Pentacles. Oh, Queen of Wands. Oops. My apologies. I assumed it because it was a woman of color. They would have had her as a pentacle. Oops. But I'm glad she has a wand. She's up there as a wand. A very confident woman. Yes, a strong black woman. Here we go. That would work for Queen of Wands. This is the Queen of Swords. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. Who kind of reminds me. Well, it's like maybe like Justice a little bit. I don't know. Look, there's like a symbol there. Yeah, there's like Celtic symbols and shit. Look at the Empress. Yeah. So the illustrations, they're not that bad. Well, they're not, but they're actually these illustrations are pretty dope. Ooh. Oh, this is the Emperor. It's the pigs for me. Exactly. That's deep though. I like that. Here's the Hierophant. The bottom books. Spiritual leader, or no, not the spiritual leader. He's the religious council. You know. Would you say the clergyman? But he's, you know, the one that marries and it institutionalizes and stuff like that. The Lovers. Wow. It's the three-headed dragon. Ain't that some shit? Ooh. I know you fucking lying. It's the women. It's the feminine energy. But this is also... I can do a reading on this alone. I could not a reading, but I could have a whole story just about these three. Well, I mean, just with this card alone, this dragon and these three right here, this priest and these two. First of all, she over here pregnant. Ooh, what did I do? Did I just zoom out? Whatever. But she pregnant. But she's standing in Adam's place. Oh, this is supposed to be Eve because the serpent is over there. Are you fucking serious? This could be after tarot. Let me find out. One of these hoes could be Lilith. Chariot. Well, they definitely emphasize same sex through feminine, of course. Y'all scared to show off the masculines. But again, the masculines, I think it would be very graphic. Not because it's two dicks, but you know, masculines are aggressive. And if you ever watch porn, they be raping the men out there. That's why they be all drugged up and just mindless dumpsters. Hermit, soul searching, inward thinking, self-reflecting, strength, courage. I always get willpower too, you know, force. Ten of Pentacles. I feel like this deck may have, no, I'm lying because I just unboxed it. Because I'm like, maybe like this deck was like used already. Look, it's sealed, but then you can always just like have a sealer though. Ten of Pentacles. Oh yes, it's the preparation for the wedding already. So you've already been married. I mean, you've already been with the person for a while now. Now it's time to jump the broom. Stepping through the threshold. This is the page. Yeah, Page of Pentacles. And here's the Knight of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles. The World. There we go. That's like a perfect angle right there. Ace of Cups. Ooh. Come through. It's like that's the Two of Pentacles. Wow. Yes. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm talking about. You're not about to give me a struggle. You're going to be the one that's going to be struggling. What do you think this is? Three of Pentacles. Needing to work together. Four of Pentacles. Being closed off. Literally. Five of Pentacles is feeling left out in the cold, but it's something. She's being left out of something. Maybe she's trying to get something out of something, or from the snake. Six of Pentacles. Equal give and take. Her balance, right? She's got men at her feet. Yes, but her face is covered down. Ooh, let me find out. Yes, I didn't mean to be all that close to her booty though. Seven of Pentacles. I think that's why I was all zoomed in. You know, I had to really take stock on that booty though, right? Shit. Eight of Pentacles. That hard working effort. But if you look at her, she's a little thick though, so it could be like the actual physicality of her body, on which it represents as far as the, you know, work. Also, there's like, it's like paint or something. What is that? Yeah, it's like paint. Oh, so yeah, she actually drew those onto the pinnacles, the shields. So yeah. Also, she could be an artist. She could be working on something like that, right? It's working with the hands too as well. That could be, really getting your hands dirty. Nine of Pentacles, Miss Independent, right? Very abundant and decked out. She's very, like, look at her. I feel like this is like, she's out and about. Like, she's very, like, I can't even, like, explain it. It's just like, look at her. She's, like, fucking just out here. Fucking just flashy, and not really flashy, but, like, she just looks like she got it, though. That's basically what it is. Hangman or woman. Well, I know with the erotic and fantasy was more emphasis on, it was more so on the masculine's fantasy and not really the feminine's fantasy, because, there are feminines that actually like same sex with men. High Priestess. Oh, wow. This is beautiful, actually. Magician. Fool. Six of Cups. Seven of Cups. Oh, wow. The Sun. Judgment. The Moon. It's always three people. The Star. Ace of Pentacles. King of Cups. Queen of Cups. Oh wow, she's a little bit younger than, a lot younger than that damn king. Or maybe because he drinks a lot, he looks old. Knight of Cups. Page of Cups. Oh, I thought the fish was, trying to get some nutrition. Ten of Cups. Nine of Cups. Yes. Just look like I just got done fucking and now I'm about to, relax. I'm about to unwind now. She just got fried, dyed, and laid to the side. Eight of Cups. Walking away. What is up with the pregnancies? Ooh, I know the fuck you lying. Damn masculines. The devil. Ha, of course. This looks like a, is that a druid? It's like they're like those like plant creatures, right? Of course, earth, right? That would be. I think the booklet, right? Is I have to catch online. This is, ooh. Could this be Duff? With the crow there, most likely. And then a sword. There's no water though. It's dried up. Yeah, that could be Death. We'll see eventually as we go through. Actually, we'll put that on the side, since these are all kind of out of order anyway. Seven of Swords. Nine of Swords. Stressing out. She worried, having anxieties. Knight of Swords, or Page of Swords. Three of Cups. Five of Cups. The Tower. I want to believe. Temperance. Ooh, let me find out. She half fae, half angel. Earth angel. Well, no, temperance is water and air. Water and fire, I'm sorry. Six of Swords is moving on to calmer waters. Okay, well maybe that the driver isn't a part of this. Eight of Swords. Ten of Swords. Two of Cups. Oh, well, so much for a soulmate connection. Now maybe she's looking for calling in a soulmate, right? In the Dolphin. Four of Cups. Oh, well, it's fantasy here, so yeah. Fantasize. This is that thing. Alrighty, so that was the Erotic Fantasy Tarot, right? So now we are going to do a shuffle. Should we take that one? It looks like it's in reverse. Well, I'm standing sideways, so it's like, oh wow. You know what? I'm not going to take that because that was literally at the top of the deck, right? I mean, we did shuffle. I mean, we saw death, but all right, that's cheating. I mean, it's not like I'm doing a reading now, right? But death is about endings and beginnings. But for that one though, I was about to say, let me find out this hoe came out again. So we have the Page of Wands, and we have the Five of Cups. Oh, crying over spilled milk. What do you have it? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked. Well, make sure please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment. If you do have the Erotic Fantasy Tarot, let me know how it's been going for you, and you know, if you're using it more or less. Are you using it as a clarifier, or is it your main deck? You know, please let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all take care now. Bye-bye.